opportunities it gives our teachers and students to extend learning beyond the traditional classroom. Most students in high school don't have access to, that our students will now maximize and realize their potential in certain areas.
Hey everybody, Nick Bova, Mr. 412 of Real Estate here, your neighborhood real estate professional. I'm here today at the brand new Thomas Jefferson High School. And if you didn't get a chance to see it over the weekend when they had the grand opening, you're gonna get a chance to see it today. So come on inside and take a look. As a former TJ graduate, class of 1996, I think this is the most awesome part of the school right here. Taking a look at this quote from Thomas Jefferson. I love quotes and I think this is awesome. We stand here in front of the Arts and Technology wing of the building, where it's home of the Thomas Jefferson Television Studios and the awesome creative labs where you can let your mind run free. Here we are in the Creative Lab. Take a look around you at all the technology. And this is the region's first open table 3D printer. Everybody, here we're on the side of the performing arts section of the high school. You're going to see the performing arts and the theater, which I can't wait to go and take a look on the inside and check it out. So here I sit front row, and probably everybody's most favorite spot in this entire high school is the theater. It was professionally tuned and all the acoustics make for an amazing sound. I was here during a demonstration of it. It is unbelievable. And here we're in the athletic location of this amazing building, where you have the health area, the concession, and the super awesome gymnasium. Wait till we take a look inside there. So this gym seats 1,400 people, and it's equipped to shoot HD production level to the scoreboard behind me and to the TJ TV production studio. So the gym has a gym. Right now we're in the auxiliary gym, where I'm going to showcase my athletic ability that I don't have. I will not be doing that, but I will just be giving you a tour. All right, everybody, so here we are in the athletics department. It's the most athletic you're gonna see me get, but in here is where all the training goes for the football and all the other sports. Right over here is the awesome pool, which we're gonna check out very soon. And we'll also give you a tour of the weight room. So this is where all the magic happens and all the training for the TJ Jaguar athletes. So you wanna get pumped up about this new weight room in this new high school? This is a place, this is where it happens. This is what makes the athletes in TJ High School strong. So here we are at this amazing facility. Check out this swimming pool. The light system is state of the art. It reduces glare for the swimmers, and also it's capable of being maintained without having to empty the pool. One of the most important features of this pool is the zero entry access. The zero entry access is great for people with mobility issues and makes it a lot easier and user friendly for the community. We talked about technology, we talked about athletics, we talked about theater arts. Now it's time to get schooled on the new TJ, and park your phones here and come enjoy that classroom. So here we're in the new student center. It's not your old school cafeteria. This is where the students will come, they'll have lunch, they'll get to interact with each other, and it's got a nice flow, which you're gonna see in about a minute. Here we are at the food court. It's time to get hungry for the students. Here's where they go. So here we're in front of the Coffee Tree Roasters, and what this is they established a business partnership to train life skills, employment, and it's great for the business students to learn, interact with people, and also learn how to run a business. So here's one of my favorite parts of this school is the business incubator. Right here, this sign speaks for itself. We're going to come on in this room and take a look. So I find this classroom amazing just because it's for personal development, kids who want to become entrepreneurs and be successful business people. This is a great place to start.
Really, the opportunities it gives our teachers and students to extend learning beyond the traditional classroom. From our apiary over the hill and harvesting honey to the world-class theater that our students will be performing in. There are just so many things in this building that most students in high school don't have access to, that our students will now maximize and realize their potential in certain areas. Probably comes down to two things. One is the swimming pool. The fact that it has a zero entry point for anyone, whether it's a community member or a student with accessibility issues, I think opens that pool up to a whole range of people and activities that maybe a traditional pool couldn't offer. The second one has to be the theater. The rigging system, the sound and lights in there are what you would find on a Broadway musical. And to watch our kids, having performed in an older theater where the ceiling's low, to now be able to perform on the equivalent of a Broadway stage, it is just going to be awesome. We have such talented kids and our talented teachers that I can't wait to see what they produce and perform on that stage. One of the things that we're trying to accomplish with this new building is to get not just teachers, but students out of their lane and to get to know other students. And, we designed this building for every student in the building and every student to recognize and accept one another's differences. And, we want it to be a positive climate. And I think we were intentional with some things in the building and how it's set up, from mentor homerooms to the sign when you walk in that says welcome in a bunch of different languages. We want that to be captured in the climate that you find in this building, that all kids have a place, that every kid can engage, and teachers and kids feel safe to take a risk and get to know someone they may not know.
So here you can see we're in the main office, and this will be the first time probably in life that I will actually volunteer to meet with a principal. So I'm going to drop my phone in this basket, and we're going to meet with him in a few seconds. So we'll be seeing you soon. Okay, so we're here with Principal Murphy, who's in charge of this amazing school, and we're going to ask him a few questions today. So I'm going to start by asking you, what is your favorite part of this new high school?
I think to me the best part of the high school is just the open space. Like, it's clean, it's bright, and no matter where you go, there's just natural light. And if you've been familiar with the old high school, it's just 180-degree opposite.
Oh yeah, as I graduated TJ back in '96, like I probably mentioned before in this video, there's a lot of changes. And also with this new school, how do you feel that it's going to benefit the students?
Well, I think it's designed with the student-centered focus, and everything we do from all the spaces in here is to kind of get them to have hands-on activities to try to prepare them for life in the 21st century.
So the point is to get them to interact with each other, spend more time with different groups and organizations to really mingle in together and get a great learning experience?
Yeah, we want them to collaborate. I mean, I think that all these pods that you kind of see right here, that's what it's designed for, is to get kids working together, to communicate, problem solve, to think critically, and hopefully, help solve the problems of the future.
Well, I'm excited for all the students here, and again, I'm excited for my kids to attend the school one day and for you to be their principal.
I hope so.
So thank you for your time.
Yeah, thanks.
So Principal Murphy, there's something that's really unique that happens every day here in this school at 11:30. Can you tell us about that?
Sure. So one of the things that we've also tried to bring into this school this year was called personalized learning time. So every day for an hour and a half, students get to have choice on part of their school day. They're going to have their lunch is 30 minutes, but they also get to choose 2 different activities. It could be remediation, it could be getting extra help in the class, or it could be things like we have going on today, an activity fair where all the clubs in our school get a chance to kind of highlight what they're about.
So that concludes our video of the school today, and I want to thank Dr. Galani, Principal Murphy, all the teachers and staff and the maintenance crew that allowed us to come through here today and document this amazing new school. And you've heard me say things like cutting edge, state of the art, top of the line, and that's all true. But what's most important with this facility is the development of the students. And I just want to let you know that's what's most important in this district, and we are TJ.